Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Google Translate and confirming camera access so the app can read text. Once done, set the source and target languages. This tells the engine what to detect and what to output. Tap the camera icon to use live translation or choose Import to load a saved photo. Choose Import if you need higher resolution or to pause for careful cropping. Make sure lighting and contrast are decent because the OCR needs clear edges to recognize characters accurately. Now position your device so the text fills most of the frame. Steady hands reduce blur and skew. Use Instant for real-time overlays, scan for a still capture that you can refine, or import a photo from your library for best resolution. After capture, crop tightly around the text and rotate if needed. This helps OCR separate words correctly. Once you confirm, tap the highlighted text to see segmented results and edit misrecognized letters manually when characters look wrong. Finish by reviewing the translation. Tap any segment to hear pronunciation, copy to clipboard, or save to your phrasebook for later. If text looks wrong, edit the recognized characters directly, re-import a clearer photo, or switch language pairs if automatic detection failed. Make sure to export or screenshot results if you need offline reference. If things go wrong, improve lighting, hold the camera steady, or type the text manually as a last resort. These steps fix most OCR and translation errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.